Did you know that over the last 50 years, the Earth's average temperature has increased at the fastest rate in recorded history? And right now, glaciers are melting so quickly that scientists predict sea levels could rise by more than a foot by 2100. Let that sink in for a moment. This is happening right now, and it's affecting all of us. Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most critical issues of our time, climate change. If you've ever wondered what it is, how it impacts our lives, and most importantly, what we can do about it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. What does climate change mean? First off, let's clear up a common misconception. Climate change isn't about the seasons changing, like summer turning into winter. It's about long-term changes in the Earth's weather patterns, and unfortunately, human activities are speeding up this natural process like never before. Burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial activities are releasing greenhouse gases that trap heat in our atmosphere, making the planet warmer, and that's just the start. Is climate change different from global warming? Here's a question I hear a lot. Is climate change the same as global warming? Global warming refers specifically to the increase in global temperatures due to greenhouse gases. Climate change, on the other hand, is a much broader term. It includes rising temperatures but also covers changing weather patterns, rising sea levels, and more extreme storms. Why should we care about climate change? If we don't take action now, the consequences will be devastating. Climate change is putting countless species at risk of extinction, and it's threatening the places we call home. Rising sea levels and extreme heat are already making some areas unlivable. But here's the good news: we still have time to make a difference. Let's explore how. Key impacts of climate change. Climate change affects every aspect of life on Earth. Here's how. Environmental impacts. Rising temperatures are melting ice caps, causing floods, droughts, and wildfires. Human impacts. Pollution and greenhouse gases are making our air harder to breathe, leading to serious health risks. Endangered ecosystems. Ecosystems like the Arctic tundra are collapsing because they can't adapt fast enough to changing climates. But the good news is that there are solutions, and every action, no matter how small, can help. Solutions to climate change. So, what can we do about climate change? Here are some simple yet powerful actions we can all take. Use renewable energy like solar or wind instead of fossil fuels. Reduce your plastic use. It's harmful at every stage, from production to disposal. Protect forests. They absorb carbon dioxide and help regulate the climate. Shift to a plant-based diet. It reduces land use and emissions. Choose eco-friendly transportation, like public transit or electric vehicles. Remember, every small step adds up. Together, we can make a big difference. The urgency of climate action. The reality is, we don't have time to waste. If we don't act now, we'll face more severe natural disasters, greater health risks, and even the loss of some of our most precious ecosystems. But it's not too late. By making changes in our lifestyles and pushing for policies that support renewable energy and sustainability, we can create a brighter, greener future for everyone. So, what's your next step? Whether it's reducing plastic, using public transport, or supporting renewable energy, your actions matter. And if you're looking for more tips and ideas, check out my full blog post on this topic. It's linked in the description below. Let's make a difference, together. Visit the blog, ecofriendlyfact.com. Like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word. Thanks for watching. Together, we can create a greener, healthier planet for future generations. I'll see you in the next video. Stay eco-friendly.